So this is evaporator unit. We have partially opened it. As you can see, the cabinet, and we will remove the filter and show you the cooling coil. Again, this is finned tubes, means cooling coil. There are various fins properly fitted with every tube to ensure maximum heat transfer or cooling capacity from the cooling unit to the room. One motor is also fitted. In the side to circulate the air. This is motor. Inside this box actually, motor is not visible indeed, but you can see various pipes of heat exchangers. So one drain pipe is also fitted with the unit, because moisture of the room get condensed at the evaporator pipes somewhere here, because they are exposed bare copper tubes. So water droplets gets condensed and then they fall somewhere at the bottom and collected in a tray, and from the tray they goes outside the room with the help of one drain pipe, a simple drain pipe, and the connections already we have shown. So in normal condition, the evaporator is hanging in the wall in this position. The air is coming out from these louvers. As you can see, they are movable. In some cases, they are electrically operated with small louver, like windscreen of the four-wheelers, and you can see inside there are some mesh, wire mesh, nets. The air is being circulated through these louvers. The same air of the room is circulated, and the control panel, which is visible to the user from the room according to the comfort of occupant. The room conditions can be adjusted by using the remote control. Thank you.